Chapter 8. Introduction to Scratch 3.0. Learning Objective. Starting Scratch 3.0. Screen elements of Scratch. Saving your program. Scratch is made to learn basic programming concepts with fun. It is a tool for creating interesting games, stories, and more block-based programming. It has its own paint editor and sound builder. Starting Scratch 3.0. Let's start Scratch 3.0. 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Click on All Apps. 3. Scroll through the app list until you reach Scratch 3.0 and click on the icon. You may also type the name in search bar. The name, Scratch 3.0 feed, will appear with a logo, S. The Scratch 3.0 window will appear on the screen. Boot up. Look at the given blocks and try to give them a name that suits them. Screen elements of Scratch. Let us learn about the screen elements of Scratch. Programming palette. Sprite. Stage. Script area. Stage. This is where everything will take place. The stage can be different backgrounds, just like in a play. Sprites. These are the actors or main characters of the project. Sprites are programmed to perform actions in Scratch. Script. It tells the actors what to say or do. Each sprite is programmed with a script. Script area. It is the area where you place blocks containing instructions for sprites. Programming palette. Elements used to program the sprite to do or say something. Sprites must be programmed to carry out every function you want them to perform. How to create a program in Scratch? Let us learn to create a program in Scratch. 1. Open the Scratch editor. 2. Drag the when green flag clicked, or when space key pressed, or when this sprite clicked, block from the events block in the programming palette to the script area, because every Scratch program starts with a control block. Here, when green flag clicked, it means the project begins when the green flag, present at the upper left corner of the stage, is clicked. When space key pressed, it means the project begins when the space bar is clicked. Here, you can also change the key according to your requirement. When this sprite click, it means the project will begin when you click the sprite. 3. Drag the Start Sound Meow block from the sound block and place it below the when green flag clicked block. This block is responsible for generating a meowing sound. 4. Drag the Move 10 Steps block from the motion block and place it below the Start Sound Meow block. Now change the number from 10 to 100. 5. After completion of the script, click on the green flag execution button to execute your program, and your cat moves 100 steps with a meow sound. Not shown, fact corner. Click examples on the left of the file browser to find some demo projects. Boot up. Create the following block stacks and note the actions performed by the sprite. Change the position of X coordinate to 100 and then by -100. Note the change in the action of the sprite. Similarly, change the position of Y coordinate to 100. Note the change in the action of the sprite. Saving your program. It is very important to save your work often. Otherwise, you might lose something important. Let us learn to save in Scratch 3.0. 1. To save a new project in Scratch, click on File. 2. Then, click on Save. 3. Give your project a name and then click Save. 4. Your project is now saved. Concise. Scratch is a tool for creating interesting games, stories and block-based programming. Stage, sprites, script, Script area and programming palette are the main elements of Scratch. Sprites are programmed to perform actions in Scratch. After completion of the script, click on the green flag execution button to execute your program.